How y'all doing? Travis McCauley here, Whitetail Heaven Outfitters. We're over here at Charlie Brown's Butcher Shop. Charlie here helps us out tremendously. But we got this big buck that was shot by my man Kelby Goodwin, the giant killer himself over there. And this buck actually got shot with a bow by one of our clients from Texas on Thursday morning. Kelby shot the buck yesterday, which would be Sunday morning. So this buck packed around that broadhead Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And we're gonna dig the broadhead out of this buck here in just a second. You can see where the broadhead where it came out right here and he hit him on the other side over there. Obviously didn't kill the deer, but when Kelby texted me that the buck was in front of him, the buck was acting a little wounded, and Kelby got an opportunity to shoot him and did. But it just goes to show you how tough these whitetails are. At the end of the day, the most important thing isn't the broadhead you use, it isn't the bow you use, it isn't the arrow you use, it's shot placement. If you hit a deer with the worst broadhead in the world and the vitals or double lung one in the right place, you're gonna kill him. If you hit one of the best broadhead in the world in a bad spot, you're not gonna kill him. Shot placement's the key. So practice, practice, practice from elevated positions if you're tree stand hunting, and that way, whenever that opportunity presents itself, you don't shoot one and let it pack one of your broadheads off like we see all the time. There's two of them laying in this butcher shop right now that our hunters kill with rifles that bow hunters had an opportunity on and did shoot but did not kill.
I need to know I'm not alone. Now taking home.
Oh my God, look at that.
Can you see it?
Go, Dave.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh God. Now let me get a picture.
Not even just the broadhead, look at that.
Awesome trunk ball. There you go, guys, right there. A guy on Thursday morning shot this big buck with this arrow and this broadhead, and we just dug it out of him. That buck lived. This buck was shot Sunday morning, so lived Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with his broadhead in him, and probably would have lived the rest of his life carrying that thing around until he ran into Kelby Goodwin, the giant killer, and Kelby just put the smack down on him. But he was using one of them high-powered rifles.
Why you had to go? I wish you were near. I'll keep you